Huh? Yeah. Kinda. You can't come. I don't think you can come out. Kylie's being reborn.
Great. The whale baby. That thing sucks their socks off.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you try to pull them out and their socks come off.
Wee. Can anybody jump in it?
Yeah. Jump in. Watch out for kids.
There's no kids in there, right? No. Whoa.
Bye. Good luck getting out. It's not easy to get out of there.
Jump in.
Yeah.
Come on, jump in.
Should I just fall back?
Yeah, just jump in. Fall back. Do it. Be a kid again.
Ah.
Do it.
That's weird.
Addie. Addie.
See, now we can't watch the children.
Oh, man. Gotta get out.
Help.
Oh, man, this is gonna be rough to get out. Addie, help us.